Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I got this at the flea market this weekend. It's one of those perfect handle wrenches, and I'm seriously worried that I'm going to screw this up. You know, I see on all the other tool restoration channels that they're always doing these restorations of the perfect handle wrenches, and they take the wood out and build new. Man, I will totally screw that up. So I'm going to do the best I can with it, and you get to watch. Okay, well, this thing's done. At least as done as I can do it. I realized about halfway through the project that it was bent, and I don't have a hydraulic press or anything like that to bend it back, and I think that affects the looseness of this little knurled piece. So it goes like that. But in any case, I think it looks a lot better, and you know, I'm proud of it. So move on to the next thing. See you next time. Thanks.